Wow, that's fancy. Ooh. Can you all see the light reflecting off the card onto my face? Ha, that's fun. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also down below in the description area, you'll find a couple links to apply for a new credit card and to get 2 free stocks from Webull when you open a brand new account and deposit $100 onto your brokerage account. I'd love to know which 2 free stocks you get. Now on to the fanciness. It's even got this fancy ribbon to pull out this wooden block. And it even says, "Welcome to Platinum." So there's the fanciness. And if you flip this over, you actually get a little wooden stand. So you can put that card, I think, like that. And then here are all the fancy "Welcome to Platinum" cards that come inside the box. And on the reverse of each of those are all the different benefits, or at least the main ones that are most interesting on this card. So I'm going to spread some of these out here so that way you can imagine the possibilities of having this card. So it's got quite the amazing presence for a travel card, but the reason for that is because it's one of the premium travel cards on the market today, and there are a lot of incredible benefits that come with this card for the right type of person. And by that I mean there are tons of travelers who will find great value in this card and other people who might want to look elsewhere. So in today's video, we're going to do an in-depth review of the American Express Platinum Card, so that way you can determine if it'll be a good fit for your wallet or not based on your travel habits. So let's dive into the review right now. I almost forgot the drop test. Where'd it go? Ah, magic. First of all, the welcome bonus on this card as of February 2021 is 75,000 membership rewards points after you spend $5,000 in the first 6 months of card membership. Plus, you'll be able to earn 10 points per dollar at US gas stations and US supermarkets on up to $15,000 in combined purchases for the first 6 months. The approximate value of just these 75,000 points alone will be anywhere from around $450 up to around $1,500 on average based on how you redeem those points. And whenever the welcome bonus alone pretty much covers the entire cost of the annual fee in the first year, that's a really good thing because everything else beyond that you earn or use is just profit. And that begins with the ongoing points that you can earn on this card. We have 5 points per dollar on flights when you book them directly with the airlines or through amextravel.com, and 5 points per dollar on hotels that are prepaid through that same amextravel.com portal. Then 1 point per dollar on all other purchases, and the annual fee on this card is $550. So now you've gotten those 75,000 points and you want to redeem them. So what kind of value can you get from those? Check this out. While there are a ton of different ways to redeem your points, here are 3 very popular ones on the screen. If you redeem for travel using the transfer partners, meaning you convert your membership rewards points into airline miles or hotel points with another partner program, you may be able to get around 2 cents per point on average. So as an example, your 75,000 points will be worth around $1,500. And the best way to get as much value out of your miles tends to be transferring your points to an international airline and then flying first or business class on a long-haul flight. You can also redeem your points for travel via the Amex Portal. That's at amextravel.com. You'll get 0.7 cents per point for hotels, car rentals, cruises, and vacations, or 1 cent per point toward flights. That makes your 75,000 point welcome bonus worth either $525 or $750. And then we also have cash back via a statement credit where you get 0.6 cents per point, making your 75,000 points worth $450. Now, if you want to view all of the redemption options, all you need to do is log on to your American Express online account, click on the rewards tab there at the top, and then kind of at the middle of the page, you'll see a bunch of different tabs, including cover your charges, which is basically cash back for a statement credit, pay with points at checkout, redeem for gift cards, book or upgrade travel, transfer points, and go shopping. Just be aware that if you redeem for these different options, oftentimes your points have a different value per point. So if you want a very simple, straightforward approach to understand what the different values are for these redemption options, check out my other video on how to use membership rewards points. The easiest way to find that video is under my playlists under How to Use Points 101. That's the name of the playlist, and I'll be putting other videos in there as time goes on of how to use different types of points for the most value. Now, since using Amex's transfer partners tends to yield the most value on average, here's a current list of the airlines and hotels that are a part of the program. Feel free to pause this video as long as you'd like to read the different partners and see if any of them will be of value to you based on your upcoming trips. Now, this card has a ton of benefits, and that's where this card shines more than anything else. Up first is a temporary benefit, and that's the PayPal credit where you can earn up to $180. That's basically broken down to $30 per month, and it's valid through the end of June 2021. All you have to do is add your Platinum card to your PayPal account, then check out at a merchant using PayPal, and then that $30 statement credit will be issued to your account shortly after the charge posts to your account. Then we have Uber rides with Platinum up to $200 per year, where you get $15 per month and $35 in December. Use that for Uber rides and with Uber Eats as well if you prefer food delivery. Simply add your Platinum card to your Uber account, and those credits will automatically be issued to you in the form of Uber Cash that you can apply towards those rides and food deliveries. Then there's an airline fee credit, again up to $200 per year, where you choose one airline every January, and then you're reimbursed for incidental charges like checked baggage fees, in-flight purchases, certain lounge access, and more. Then with Global Entry and TSA PreCheck, you can be reimbursed up to $100 to cover the cost of your application fee for either of those programs every 4.5 years. Then last of the major credits is the Shop Sats with Platinum benefit up to $100 per year, where January through June you get $50 worth of statement credits, and then a second $50 statement credit on the back half of the year, July through December. And if you like lounge access, then this is the card for you. American Express's Global Lounge collection comes with the Platinum card, giving you access to Centurion lounges, Delta Sky Clubs, Priority Pass, Escape lounges, and more. A little bit more on that in just a moment. Now moving on to the right-hand side of your screen, there's an international airline program giving you access to lower fares on up to 8 tickets per booking. The hotel collection, where when you book through the portal, you'll get a $100 property credit and a room upgrade based on availability, of course. And then the Fine Hotels and Resorts program acts in a very similar way, but with more premium properties and higher benefits. So you get things like an experience credit, room upgrades, daily breakfast for 2, early check-in as early as 12 p.m., late checkout at 4 p.m., free Wi-Fi, and other amenities that may vary from one property to the next. You can also enroll in Elite status with various programs, including Marriott Bonvoy Gold, Hilton Honors Gold, National Car Rental Emerald Club, and others. Plus, there are no foreign transaction fees on this card. Now, if you'd like to read more in depth about any of these benefits or view some of the other smaller benefits of this card, all you have to do is log into your account and choose the Benefits tab there on the top right, and it will expand with all the details, including the $200 airline fee credit with a tracker to see how much you've spent and how much remains, and then the instructions to upgrade to Hilton Gold or Marriott Gold, plus all the other stuff as well. There are a lot of things to keep track of on this card, but fortunately this dashboard under the Benefits tab simplifies the process in a big way. Now, for those of you who do appreciate lounge access inside the airports, here's a full expanded list of the Global Lounge collection right now with American Express. It includes the Centurion Lounge, the International American Express lounges, Priority Pass lounges, Escape lounges, Delta Sky Club, Plaza Premium lounges, and Airspace lounges. And in case you have not experienced an airport lounge before, here's an example of the Centurion Lounge at Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. As you can see from the image here, it's a great place to get some food, including fully cooked meals. There's oftentimes a bar area to get some great drinks. You can relax, get some work done, have meetings. Some of these locations even have spas with showers and a whole lot more. These lounges are a great place to relax before or between connecting flights, and I highly recommend you check them out if this type of thing interests you. For insurance and protections on this card, it does come with car rental loss and damage insurance, trip delay insurance, trip interruption and cancellation insurance, baggage insurance plan, which includes lost, damage, or stolen bags, delayed baggage insurance, purchase protection, extended warranty, and a premium global assist hotline. All the fine print and additional details for each one of these can be found on American Express's website in case you'd like to read more about them. All right, so should you pay $550 for a travel card in an environment where there are tons of other travel cards that may only cost a fraction of that, or even with no annual fee? Well, let me help you figure that out right now as we go along the main use cases for the types of people who would find the greatest value out of this card versus those who may want to look elsewhere to find a better fit. You should consider getting the American Express Platinum Card if you travel frequently, spend on airfare, spend on Uber or Uber Eats, will use the $200 airline fee credit, value VIP travel experiences like elite status, lounge access, upgrades, and more, and if you prefer travel rewards over cashback. However, you'll want to say no to this card if you don't travel multiple times per year, if you're a budget traveler or a road tripper, if you don't care about VIP travel experiences, don't normally spend on airfare or Uber Eats, if you prefer cashback over travel rewards, and if you don't like high annual fee cards. Now, of course, you don't have to meet every single bullet point on those lists, but the reason why I included such a broad array of different bullet points is because whenever you have a card with a super high annual fee, the best way to justify it is using all the benefits and credits that help you break even and get into profit as soon as possible. So if you normally spend money on airfare, you'll be earning 5 points per dollar and getting a lot of rewards back. If you normally spend on Uber, Uber Eats, Saks Fifth Avenue, then you'll be using those credits. And same holds true if you oftentimes check luggage, or if you buy a day pass to an individual airline lounge, or perhaps you buy food or beverages in flight. Again, all those things work toward the $200 airline fee credit. So the best thing I can say here is to step back from all the hype that goes around this card, and it is a great card, and look at your individual spend habits and travel habits. And then ask yourself, does this card fit into my normal living behaviors and travel preferences, so that way I can actually get more value than it costs me? And with that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, down below in the description area, you'll find a few links to apply for a new credit card and to get 2 free stocks from Webull when you open a new account and deposit $100 onto your brokerage account. Do tell me which 2 free stocks you get. And to wrap up today's video, out of the hugely long, massive list of benefits that come on the Platinum Card, what are your favorite 2 or 3 benefits that give you the most value on this card each year? Tell me down below in the comments. Thank you all for tuning into today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.